Welcome family and friends once again to Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. You're here with your boy, the one and only Smokepot, and we're here to dive into some food as usual. Recently I haven't been doing a lot of vegetable dishes, so this time around I decided to delve into some. Alright, I'll be doing what is called collard greens today. For those who don't know what collard green is, it's almost like spinach or callaloo, but it's a little rougher than that. It takes a little more time. So cook it also have its own unique flavor. All right, in terms of my experience, I enjoy it with a little smoky flavor. So today I'm gonna be doing it with some smoked turkey tails, all right? Guys, remember, subscribe, share, like, make a comment, and try some of the videos and tell me exactly what it's like. For those who don't know what collard green look like, this is what collard green look like, all right? This stalk, leaves, everything. I left this out, so for those especially from the Caribbean who may have not traveled or anything, doesn't know, this is what it looked like. All right, to start with our process, I already cut and clean my collard green right there, so let that sit. So what I'm going to start out by doing, I turn my stove on. I'm going to put some oil right there. All right, put a little oil to that. Without hesitation, we're going to be adding our seasonings. All right, so I have here some red bell pepper, some orange bell pepper, some garlic, scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme. All right, so you add those to your oil. All right, you add those like so. We also have some onions, some tomatoes, and I also have some scallions. Alright, all of those together. Alright, next step from here, I'm going to be adding some black pepper. About a 3/4 teaspoon, because the collard green, as I said, have its own flavor. So I want to make sure I give it a little kick. I'm also going to be adding some adobe. Alrighty, add a little adobe, about 1.5 teaspoons. Alright, of adobe right there. And I'm gonna be adding some all-purpose seasoning. Alright, 1.5 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoon right there. Next, a little black pepper right there. Alright, that's good. Stir that again. All right, to this I'm going to be adding a little ketchup. A little ketchup to that. All right, that's good. And then from there now, I'm going to be adding my smoked turkey tail. And this is what my smoked turkey tail looks like. I cleaned it and wash it and I cut it. I guess people said it looked like bacon, but it's smoked turkey tail, all right? I add that to my season. All right, give that a little turn. And then I'm gonna allow this to come together for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna have my collard green. Guys, I have my smoked turkey along with my season. Be cooking now for about 10 minutes. So at this time I'm going to be adding my collard green so it can just slowly steam down. You can see this look like a lot, but as in most vegetables, as soon as it touches them, it's gonna shrink. It seems like nothing is in the pot. So just slowly put these down in here. Alright, and remember, as I told you before, this takes much longer to cook than those who are familiar with spinach or those who are familiar with callaloo. This takes some time to cook. So I'm going to leave this to cook down for about 8 minutes. And by that time, I'll be able to stir and let everything come together as one. Alright? So remember what I'm doing today. I'm doing collard green with smoked turkey tail. Alright, and I'll see you back in a few. Yes, my collard green been cooking for about 8 minutes now, so let me stir and make sure I get everything as one. As I told you before, as soon as it starts boiling, it's gonna just boil down as if nothing is in the pot. So see, that's where we are, and the pot was extremely full. Alright, so trying to get the sauce all over in that greens now. And then do a quick taste. Let's see if I might have to drop an and more seasoning to it. Just taste this one piece of greens. You know what? It tastes like it could take a little more, but it's not completely. It haven't soaked up all that gravy as yet. It's still extremely chewy. It needs at least the next 6 minutes. So I'm doing the next stir. I'm gonna add a little butter to it for additional, just a little more. It's maybe a little bland. And I'll be doing a plating next time when I come back. Now that my greens have been cooking for about 15 minutes, so for at least 10 minutes, it's been absorbing all the flavor from the smoked turkey tail and the other ingredients that's there. I'm just turning off my stove. And, that is what it looks like. That's what it looks like. It's very flavorful and everything. So this is the part when I go to tasting again. But today I just made got some bell peppers, some red, some yellow, and some carrots, and just a little quick design. So I'll be eating that with staying away from too much carbs nowadays. Alright, so putting that right here in the middle. Okay, trying to make it as cute as possible for you guys. Although I'll be eating it all in a sec, but still, I appreciate the comments, and most of you mentioned about how enticing it looks, so I'm just trying to keep it that way the whole way. So this is my collard green with smoked turkey wings and vegetables and all the seasoning, and I'm looking at it right now, and it just looks like a decorative platter. I don't even want to touch it, but I have to go and taste. So here we go right now. Extremely balanced, extremely good. A little on the spicy side because the collard green have its own unique taste, as I told you before. So you need to get that special kick to it. It's very good. The smoky flavor is popping out. As you can see, looking beautiful. I don't want to touch it, but let me get a piece of the carrot just the same. But it's really nice. My family. So remember, Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen Subscribe, share, like. Bye.